Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into HeyGen with an advanced tutorial designed to turn you into a pro. You already know HeyGen is an amazing AI tool for creating videos with digital avatars, but we're going to move beyond the basics. We'll cover everything from crafting custom avatars and fine-tuning audio to mastering the editing studio with multi-scene storytelling and creating those viral UGC-style ads. We'll even touch on how businesses can scale their video production with APIs and integrations. Let's get started. First, let's do a super quick recap of the basics to make sure we're all on the same page. When you log into your HeyGen dashboard, you're greeted with your creation space. You can start from scratch, use a template, or jump right in by choosing a public avatar from their extensive library. You simply select an avatar, type your script into the text box, and hit generate. That's HeyGen in a nutshell. But we're here to go further. Now let's get into the advanced stuff, starting with Chapter 2, Advanced Avatar Creation. This is where you can really personalize your content. First up, photo avatars. You can bring a single static image to life. To do this, head to the avatar section and select Photo Avatar. The key here is choosing the right photo. You need a clear, high-resolution image where the person is facing forward, looking directly at the camera with their mouth closed and a neutral expression. Good, even lighting is crucial, so avoid harsh shadows. Once you upload it, HeyGen's AI will process the image and animate it to speak your script. It's an incredibly powerful way to create a branded avatar without a full video shoot. Next, we have instant avatars. This takes it to another level. For an instant avatar, you'll need to record a short video clip of yourself. HeyGen guides you through this process, which involves reading a script while looking at the camera. This gives the AI more data to work with, resulting in a much higher fidelity, more expressive, and lifelike custom avatar. It captures your unique mannerisms and creates a truly personalized digital twin. Moving on to Chapter 3, Pro-Level Audio and Voice Control. A great video isn't just about the visuals. The audio has to be perfect. HeyGen gives you incredible control over this. When you're using the AI's text-to-speech voices, don't just settle for the default. You can fine-tune the delivery to sound more natural. Use the speed and pitch controls to match the tone you're going for. A slightly faster pace can convey excitement, while a slower pace can feel more serious. More importantly, you can add pauses. Click within your script where you want a break, and insert a pause of a specific duration, say half a second or a full second. This simple trick makes the narration sound so much less robotic and more conversational. But what if you want to use your own voice? No problem. You can upload your own custom audio track. Just record your voiceover separately, upload the MP3 or WAV file, and HeyGen's AI will automatically sync your avatar's lip movements to your words. This is a game changer for maintaining your brand's unique voice, while still benefiting from the visual power of an AI avatar. Okay, let's jump into the heart of this tutorial. Chapter 4, Advanced Editing Studio Techniques. This is where you'll spend most of your time crafting professional-level videos. First, let's talk about multi-scene storytelling. A single static shot can get boring. To create a dynamic narrative, you need to use multiple scenes. At the bottom of your editor, you can add new scenes just like you would add slides in a presentation. For each scene, you can change the background, reposition your avatar, change their size, or even swap to a different avatar entirely. This allows you to build a story, moving from an introduction to a product demo, to a call to action, all within one seamless video. Now, let's get into layers and elements. Just like in Photoshop or Canva, the HeyGen Studio works with layers. You can add text overlays, your company logo, images, or shapes. Each element you add can be moved, resized, and arranged. You can bring an element to the front or send it to the back. This is essential for creating visually rich content, like placing a title over your background or having your logo persistently in the corner. Next, let's deconstruct a template. HeyGen's templates are a fantastic starting point, but you should customize them to fit your brand. Open a template you like and then click on every single element. The background, the text boxes, the avatar, and change them. Swap out the colors to match your brand palette, change the fonts, and replace the stock avatar with your own custom one. In just a few minutes, you can transform a generic template into a completely unique, on-brand video. Finally, one of the most powerful applications, creating AI UGC-style ads. User-generated content style is huge right now because it feels authentic. You can replicate this with HeyGen. Choose a natural-looking instant avatar, maybe one you created yourself, and place them in a casual setting like a home office or a living room background. Write a script that sounds like a real customer testimonial, conversational, a little imperfect and genuine. The result is a highly convincing ad that feels like a real person sharing their honest opinion, and these convert incredibly well. For our business and enterprise users, let's briefly touch on Chapter 5, Scaling and Automation. If you need to create hundreds or thousands of personalized videos, doing it manually isn't an option. This is where the HeyGen API comes in. The API, or Application Programming Interface, allows your developers to programmatically create videos. For example, you could automatically generate a personalized welcome video for every new customer who signs up, with their name dynamically inserted into the script and on-screen text. It's incredibly powerful for large-scale marketing and sales outreach. HeyGen also offers integrations with tools you're already using. A great example is the HubSpot integration. You can connect HeyGen to your HubSpot account to automate video creation as part of your marketing workflows, making it a seamless part of your existing strategy. Finally, we've reached Chapter 6, Finalizing and Exporting Your Masterpiece. Before you hit that submit button, always use the preview function. This gives you a quick low-resolution look at your video so you can catch any mistakes in the timing, text, or positioning. Once you're happy with everything, you can submit your video for rendering. HeyGen will process it in the cloud and you'll get a notification when your high-resolution video is ready. From there, you can download it, get a shareable link, or post it directly to your social media channels. And that's a wrap on our advanced HeyGen tutorial. We've covered creating custom photo and instant avatars, fine-tuning your audio for a natural delivery, building dynamic narratives with multiple scenes, mastering layers and templates, and even scaling production with the API. You now have all the skills you need to move beyond the basics and create truly professional, engaging, and high-converting videos with HeyGen. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.